Good day, everyone. Why I want to join this event? As academic specializing in public administration and a doctorate candidate, I am deeply committed to understanding how regional governance can evolve to meet modern challenges. I want to join this workshop to bridge the gap between theoretical research on institutional ethics and a practical consensus-based Asian way of diplomacy. With the UK increasing engagement, in the Indo-Pacific, I see this as a critical moment to learn how inter-regional partnership can drive stability and sustainable development. So this event offers a perfect laboratory to test my ideas on digital governance and a civil service modernization alongside a diverse cohort of peers from both Asian and the UK. And what I can contribute to this event. I bring a unique dual perspective as both a licensed professional teacher and a researcher in social sciences. My contribution will be rooted in my ability to facilitate complex discussion and synthesize diverse viewpoints. Skills I have honed through my work at the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines. Having been recognized for my best publisher paper in 2025, I offer a rigorous evidence-based approach to the workshop, simulation, and strategy session. I am prepared to contribute an actionable insight on how Asian can integrate emerging technology like AI into its governance frameworks while ensuring equitable development across all member states. That's all. Thank you.